Oh my God, guys, you cannot imagine how I am happy to see you back. I checked the background, but okay, let's go. Let's go because we need to talk about this thing. I finally have internet back, so yes, let's go. Okay, here we go. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm bag passionate, a French bag collector and fashion lover, and a Longchamp addict. Welcome to my channel. Bienvenue. Hope you're all doing well. Thanks a lot for your kind messages when I talk to you about my difficulty because, okay, I will not repeat, but we had a severe storm here in Provence and I completely lost my internet access, so I was waiting for new appliance. But today everything is back to normal. Well, not everything. I still do not have any TV, but that's okay. I've got internet. I can make this video about this little cutie, so I am more than happy. So let's go directly to the point. I bought this cutie, okay, it's a long time ago. It was, yes, mid-September. Well, yes, mid-September already, and we are beginning November, but okay, we all have a busy life. And I bought it during what we called here in France a braderie, une braderie. In fact, I think it's a giant sale, yes, maybe you say that in English. If I find the correct name, I will write, but in French it's braderie. And it was in the city of Avignon, in the south of France. I'm living between Avignon and Aix-en-Provence, just to explain you. And during this time, I think it lasts 3 days. And during the 3 days, it's completely crazy. All shops in the city open the door and put on the street all the stuff, and the prices are crazy. The thing is that I usually do not have a possibility to go there, but this time I went on Saturday, and on Saturday the shops were open during the big braderie, and Longchamp was open, so I went there, and oh my God, there was a completely wall with amazing sales. So let's discover what I've got, but just a few words to explain you the situation where I bought it. And so I show you and we'll discuss a little bit after. So I don't think you can imagine what it is, but look what I've picked. I picked this gorgeous, look how gorgeous it is, brioche bag from Longchamp. Of course, it's not the actual edition. This one is all in denim, and I like it, really I like it. All in denim, just this piece is in leather, in soft leather, and you got gunmetal, and the chain is also in gunmetal. Oh my God. Okay, so just a quick explanation, because you guys have maybe seen a lot of video already about this bag, the brioche from Longchamp. Brioche is a French name for a famous pastry, la brioche in French. And I will put a pic so you can see why they give this name to this bag, because yes, it looks like a brioche. And well, if you haven't checked the videos, check the video of Fuchsia Floyd. Fuchsia Floyd, she's an amazing woman. I love her channel. She's super sweet and she's got an amazing collection. And in fact, it is this girl who, yes, she awakes my interest for this bag, because let's be honest, the brioche is normally made with Napa leather. The main collection is in Napa leather, and I am not a Napa girl. Okay, just a quick explanation why I use the term Napa instead of lambskin. Lamb leather is a generic term that describes any leather sourced from lamb, and Napa leather is a specific type of lamb leather. Napa leathers can also be provided from goat and sheep. Just wanted to explain you, I'm including Napa for all this time of soft leather. I find it's cute, but I'm not a Napa leather. I just only one bag in Napa, and that's already okay for me. Because for me, it's so soft and so delicate. But Fuchsia got 2 brioche in Napa, and she has done incredible videos, so I will link her channel below. Check and see the video if you're interested in the Napa version of this bag. And another girl who was also interested by this bag and got now an amazing collection is the handbag housewife. And she has several colors. I presume Fuchsia got 2 brioche, and now Erin from the handbag housewife got 3 or even 4. So go and check their channels. They have both incredible collection. But okay, I was not interested in this bag because I thought it was only in Napa leather. And when I went to the Longchamp store, I saw this one in denim. And I was like, wow, in denim, it's completely different. I've got no bag in denim. And yes, I think the style is cute. Brioche used to come in 3 sizes, XS, S, and M, medium, which is really a larger one. And this is the S. I will write the dimension. And yes, I completely fell in love because I love the style. I love the difference of color. Look at the quilting, because even if it's denim, it's got still the quilted aspect. I love the stitches. I really love the stitches in the different color, the same color as the leather. Yes, it's really gorgeous, and gunmetal. You know, I love silver hardware, but gunmetal, it's also my favorite. And so, to open it, you've got a push button here. Really, really easy to open and to close. So you've got a chain and lock. So let's take away the paper. Here, it's soft leather, all in black, and inside you only got one main compartment with a zip pocket here, a larger one. Okay, I got the Longchamp tag, a main compartment, and you've got 2 flap pockets on the other side. But oh my god, it's really, really spacious. And you can either, okay, it's already closed, so it closes and open really super easily. I love that. If you want to have a bigger access, you can let the bag like this. But if you want to narrow it, you've got 2 push buttons on each side. So you can, oops, sorry. You see, you can secure, and that's okay. Oh my god. And so the bag can be worn like this on the shoulder, which is really elegant. And I love, because with the denim, it's casual chic, you know, and I really love it. I'm wearing a jean and it's perfect. You can either wear it like this, crossbody, and the length is perfect. I am a petite. I am 1.60 m, and it's okay. It's really okay. And if you are taller, I think it's not a problem. The bag will be here. It's really not a problem. So you can easily wear it crossbody too. Oh, I love it. I really love it. The sound is cute. I love the sound. That's so funny. And yes, oh my god, I love this bag. And well, you may be asking, but okay, you love it, but how much you paid for it? I paid for this bag 245 euro. It's a bargain because the bag retails for 490 euro. So the double of price. I paid 50% left. And oh my God, it's so freaking cute. And as I told you, I found this bag cute, but I was not really interested. And but when I discovered that they made also with different materials, and at the moment the brioche line is still produced, you still have the Napa leather version, but you've got jacquard version. I will put pictures. You've got two versions, one in white and blue, like Scottish tissue, you know, and the other one is, I will put pics, but here in denim leather, in denim, sorry, not denim leather, in denim, oh my God, I really fell in love. And yes, this is the surprise I found during the Braderie. And yes, it was really a nice surprise. I love this bag because the style is chic, elegant, but at the same time super casual for every day, and that's what I love. The closure is easy to open it. The space is enough. I'm sorry guys, I do not prepare my wallet and so to show you. Maybe I will do another video, but today I just wanted to show you this cutie. The bottom is like this, there is no fit, but that's not a problem. In any case, I do not let my bag on the floor. Yes, I'm really happy to add it in my collection. Okay guys, I could not resist to make you a tiny closer video of this bag. So all in denim, and this part is in soft leather, gunmetal hardware, and look at the stitching. Exactly, I don't know if you can see clearly on the camera, but exactly the color of the part of leather. So here you get the chain, gunmetal, with this piece in leather, in soft leather. So this is black like the interior of my bag, and it's really gorgeous, matching with the denim. Look at this girl, really, really cute. So here on the side, as I told you, you've got, you know, snap button, you can see. It's not easy. I will open it now. So look how gorgeous it is. It's really soft, really chic. So it's not easy with one hand, but that's okay. Just a tiny video, tiny extra video. And look, the interior. So the zip pocket, as I told you, and it's quite roomy. The inside, okay, it's black, so sorry. A ribbon jacquard, okay, the two flap pocket here, but look at the main compartment. I will do what's in my bag because, okay, I think this bag will be the bag I will be using next week, so I will be another video, what's in my bag. And oh my God, look at this, really gorgeous. So the back, sorry, look at this, really nice. And the behind. I'm really happy to have it in my collection. I'm always happy to add a new model in my Longchamp collection. And they're really gorgeous, look, really, really gorgeous. Okay guys, thanks for watching, stay tuned, more videos are coming, bye! So guys, hope you like this tiny little unboxing, and if you have questions about this bag, do not hesitate. If you already have this bag and you love it, please comment below and tell me what you love about it, or what you dislike if you have it and you dislike and you return it, or you keep it but you're not satisfied and you do not use it. Please tell me, I'm happy to discuss with you. And well, so I will be happy to style this bag with my outfit this fall-winter season. And yes, maybe even in spring, because denim You can wear it anytime. So, if you have questions, do not hesitate. I repeat, guys, the giveaway when we will reach 1,000 subscribers is actual. So, if you do not subscribe yet to my channel, do not hesitate. Go ahead, subscribe to my channel, and I will be doing an international giveaway to thank you all for your support. Stay tuned because I've got other things to show you, and well, it was so nice to be back, so I'm so happy to see you again, and well, thanks for watching, à bientôt, bye guys!